What are you doing? What are you doing, Aya?
Baking a cake.
You shaking and baking? There you go. Marissa, shake it and bake it.
I'll just stick to the baking people.
That's lame.
She's
No,
cupcakes.
fun.
Cupcakes.
Oh, I'm not picking
Oh, he
it.
does it this.
So you're shaking and baking too?
Jerk.
What are you guys baking for?
Sylvia's birthday. This is gonna be your pre-birthday video. Yes, I look like this without makeup. Since you've never seen me, obviously.
Yes,
You know I can
pre-birthday
just rinse it
video.
off.
It's made with love.
With this. Tell her yes, it's from a box because not all of us are chefs like Penny.
Chef? Are you Chef Marissa?
Yeah.
Hey, Chef Anna. Drop it like it. Drop it to the flow.
Now with these jeans, I can't remember before.
And now we're just gonna
So
mix
does it
it. You
like-
wanna mix it?
Yeah.
Okay, you do that while I butter the pans.
Shake it. Shake it. Don't mix.
Do that till I'll tell you when to go to a